beautiful friends, this is Aiza and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a makeup tutorial of the look that I'm wearing right now using the new Blood Sugar mini eyeshadow palette and the Cavity Skin Frost highlighter palette. So without further ado, let's get on the video. So I already applied part of my makeup that are not included in this collection, and now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow using this Blood Sugar mini eyeshadow palette. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use this Sugar Cane shade and I'm gonna apply it all over my crease. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade called Ouch. I'm just doing a circular motion with a light hand. Taking a smaller brush, I'm gonna dip it in the shade called Prick. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade Coma. And I'm just gonna apply it under the shade Prick. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do some cut crease. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade Wisdom. This is such a really pretty glittery red shade. This shade is the new shade from the Blood Sugar eyeshadow palette. And then I'm just gonna spray my brush with Fix Plus, so it will pick up more pigments and make it more metallic. Ooh, look at that. It's very, very pretty. If you're gonna ask me if this new shade is worth getting, I would say yes. It is definitely a very pretty shade. You don't want to miss this. If only Jeffree Star will sell this as a single eyeshadow, a lot of people will for sure be happy about it. How about you? Are you gonna be happy if he will release just a single shade? Oh, I'm gonna be so happy if he will release this as a single. Oh, look at that. Yeah, this shade is definitely worth having. And now I'm gonna use the shade Coma. I'm just gonna apply it here. I am just applying it to the outer corner of my eye and drag just a really light hand like that. Taking the shade Ouch again, I'm just gonna blend it. Honestly, I'm literally just playing with these colors. They're so pretty colors. You can definitely create a lot of pretty look using this eyeshadow palette. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take this Candy Floss shade. And I'm just gonna put here to brighten it up. Just like that. And I like that it can have this gradient effect. And you can also tell that it opened my eyes. It kind of make it look like I have a big eyes. I love playing with the colors. I literally didn't plan this look. I just kind of play the shades and see what look I can create. And so far I'm loving the look I came up with. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my liquid eyeliner and false lashes off cam, and I'll be right back. And I'm back, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my eyeshadow. Taking this cherry soda, and I'm gonna apply it here. And now I'm gonna use the shade Coma. I'm just applying it to the outer corner. And now I'm gonna use the shade Sweetener. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use this highlighter palette. I did a swatch of this highlighter palette, and if you're interested to watch that video, please check the description and I will put the link below. Or you can also click this. So I already applied a little bit of contour, and I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade Rose Cold, and I'm gonna tap it off. And now using the shade Candy Frosty, I'm gonna go ahead and use it as my blush on. I'm scared. Scared to use this. And now using this Icing Ivy, I'm gonna use it as my highlight. That's the glow I'm talking about. I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way. No one. I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. Cause you didn't mean what you wrote a song about me. Going back to this palette, I'm gonna go ahead and use this shade Glucose, and I'm gonna apply it to my brow bone. for my lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and pick one shade from this vault. I'm gonna use the shade Red Rum. So that's it. That completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and find my video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet. And please don't forget to leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about this new mini eyeshadow palette? And what do you guys think about this new Cavity Skin Frost Highlighter palette? Did you like it? Did you not like it? I want to know your thoughts. And also, did you like the new shade Wisdom? Do you think it is worth buying the whole palette just for the new shade? Do you think Jeffree Star should sell the new shade Wisdom in a single? Let's talk. I want to know your thoughts. Anyways, if you are interested to watch the try-on swatches for this lipstick vault, I will definitely put the link below. And also, I did a unboxing and swatches of all the new collection that he just launched. I will also put the link below. So yeah, that's it. See you in my next video. Bye!